Juliana, your server for today. Okay, I'll give brief recommendation on our food menu. I'll start on the starter on the left-hand side of the menu. I'll recommend our house specialty, the smoked tomato soup. We're using 100% San Marzano tomato smoked with applewood chips from US, which gives a smoky flavor, and topped with basil mascarpone. And we have bone marrow. We're serving 2 half of femur bone marrow from Australia, and we serve this with chopped parsley salad served with toast, lemon wedge, and a sea salt. And for the raw and cured, I recommend we have oysters. We're serving Irish oysters from Donegal Farm, which is voted one of the best farm in Ireland. And the oyster is meaty and creamy, and served with red wine, shallot, mignonette, and lime and lemon wedge. And something to share, I'll recommend our hamon. It is Iberian black pig cured for 36 months. It has creamy texture and nutty taste, and we will serve it thinly sliced with crouton. And for those who doesn't, for the non-beef eater, I recommend our steak giant. Is a 200-gram mushroom served with truffle fries. And we also have pork porterhouse. It is 3-in-1 cut. Tenderloin is strip loin and additional pork belly. And we will serve this with braised cabbage, bacon, and mustard juice. And let's move on to the grill on the right-hand side of the menu. Our steak here is grilled using an applewood chips from US, which gives caramelized flavor. And we have Bedrock pepper steak. We're serving 400 days grain-fed Wagyu New York steak strip loin from Australia. It has a marble score of 6. And for the Australian cut, we have a strip loin. Okay, strip loin, it has a nice, it has light marbling, which gives intense natural flavor. And I'll recommend for the gentleman our Australian ribeye. It is O'Connor 100% premium grass-fed, and it has natural marbling and rich and natural flavor. As compared to Australian, US ribeye is more on rich on marbling, and it has rich and natural confit flavor. For the ladies, I'll recommend our tenderloin. That is the most tender and lean, and that is the smallest cut on the menu. And for those who like their steak to be dried aged, we have dry aged strip loin. It has intense beef flavor due to the dry aging process. And for the ribeye, it has unique tenderness and I forgot. Then, okay, let's move on to for the table to share. We have porterhouse. That is the highlight of our restaurant. It's a long bone-in ribeye from Stockyard, Australia. And we'll grill with the bone to add more flavor. And upon serving, we will serve it sliced with 5 complimentary sauces. By the way, it is F1 Wagyu. F1 means first cross between Wagyu and Black Angus. Wagyu gives tenderness, and Angus give the flavor. Then we also have lamb rack. Lamb rack, we're serving Dover lamb from Australia, from Western Australia. It doesn't have a strong mutton taste. It has succulent and fine texture. And another dry edge on the menu, which is good for the table to share, is we have the dry edge porterhouse. It is 2-in-1 cut tenderloin and strip loin. It is also cooked with a bone to give more flavor. And all the steak come with 1 complimentary sauces, except for the tomahawk, which it comes with 5 complimentary sauces. We have red wine sauce. It is red wine reduced with real too. And we have Bedrock chili oil. It's home-dried chili paddy sauteed with bacon bits. And we have classic béarnaise. It's a mixture of tarragon, herb, butter, and egg yolk. Whole grain whiskey mustard. It's whole grain mustard seed infused with a bourbon whiskey. And chimichurri. It's olive oil based with lemon juice, rica chili, shallot, parsley, and coriander. And all the steak come by itself, so you have to order side dish to share. And we have this top-selling side, which is macaroni and cheese. Our macaroni is cooked with gorgonzola blue cheese and truffle butter. and topped with, sorry, um, gratinated parmesan and drizzled with truffle oil. And to balance it out, we have salted mushroom. It's button and king mushroom, sauteed with garlic and shallots. And for the dessert, I'll recommend our house specialty, which is the the crumble. We're using Granny Smith apple cooked with cinnamon and raisin, topped with walnut streusel and a Capiti brand ice cream, which is vanilla ice cream. And small portion, we have Black Forest. It's flourless chocolate. It is flourless chocolate cake and served with white chocolate cream and branded cherry. Just call me when you're ready.
Bueno, thank you.